Say hello to a smarter, sleeker way to control light through your window. Our premium light filtering and premium room darkening zebra dual shades combine innovative dual-layer fabric with eye-catching style for a shade that adapts to your every mood. These shades feature a solid and sheer fabric arranged in alternating bands, allowing for versatile control over light and privacy. Our premium zebra dual shade collections deliver bold style, beautiful fabrics, and customizable performance in one stunning design. Our premium light filtering zebra dual shades collection features 12 neutral colors and textured fabrics that will gently diffuse light and provide privacy. The solid bands are 3 inches tall, and the sheer portion is 2 inches tall. The sheer style will vary by the fabric selected for both the premium light filtering and room darkening zebra shade collections. The premium room darkening zebra shades collection offers full privacy and light control. Select from 11 popular designer colors in 2 different fabric styles. The solid bands are 3 inches tall, and the sheer bands are 2 to 2 and 5/16 inches tall, depending on the selected pattern. Please note, these shades are not 100% blackout. Let's look at the lift types and valance options. The standard lift option features a nylon beaded chain, which loops around a safety tensioning mechanism attached to the wall or window frame. This is perfect for hard-to-reach windows. Shades ordered less than 32 inches in height will receive a metal beaded chain. The cordless option allows the lifting, lowering, and tilt mechanism to be controlled by the clear plastic handle attached to the bottom rail. Just grab the handle with your hand. This lift provides a clean, uncluttered look in the window. Note, this lift comes with a locking pin on the left side of the roller tube. The shade must be installed before removing the locking pin. If the shade needs to be removed from the brackets at any time, first roll up the shade, then reinstall the locking pin before removing it from the brackets. For the ultimate lift, our battery-powered motorized option will efficiently raise and lower your shade, making it perfect for tall windows. A battery-powered 15-channel remote is all that is needed to lift and lower your shades. Want to go even smarter? Add the optional hub, which syncs with your Wi-Fi for home automation. Please note, when ordering a hub, a remote must be ordered as well. What makes our premium Zebra dual shade collection exceptional inside and out? Our Zebra shades include a color-coordinated cassette valance with a matching fabric insert for a custom and finished look. The installation brackets allow you to top mount or wall mount. Side mounting is not available. Easy mount installation. This option offers fast and screw-free installation. Simply lock the headrail in place and attach your shade. Easy mount is only available as an inside mount with a cassette valance and is not compatible with the beaded chain lift. A 36-inch extension rod is available in conjunction with cordless lift to help raise and lower the shades in tall or hard-to-reach windows. Color-coordinated nylon beaded chain. The beaded chain lift includes a matching chain and child safety tensioner in white, vanilla, gray, bronze, and black for a tailored custom finish. Fabric-wrapped bottom rail. This adds the finishing custom touch to the bottom of the shade. The weighted bottom rail is wrapped in your selected fabric color for an integrated look. Why choose the premium light filtering or the premium room darkening Zebra dual shades? You can elevate your space with shades that do more than just cover a window. They create a statement. With striking fabrics, customizable features, and a design that balances sophistication and everyday ease, these Zebra shades instantly transform any room. When you want style with real impact, This is the upgrade that delivers the wow.